doing something? Oh, hey, bird. Hey, Dan, what's up? What are you doing? Oh, I'm just finding a place that we can go. Oh, I know where to go. Where? To the movies. Okay, that's a good place to go. What are you waiting for? Let's go. Wait. Do you have to fix that? Nah, I'll be in a new cabin. Do. Mr. Young Father, I thought I was a child to you. I was taking care of you, but I was your father this whole time. Can't you believe his father this whole time? Oh my god. I must destroy you, evildoer. Ooh, I'm an alien. Die. Yo, we just do it! Oh my god, he got this! Oh my god, that's Shut up! Excuse me, Mrs. Zero Man. Okay then. Can I have your attention, please, everyone? You have to scream until the movie's over. Okay, let's do it. Wow, that was a good movie to watch. But Dan, can I tell you something? What is it, Bird? Do you believe in aliens? No, why? Dan, what? There's aliens behind you. You're always silly, Bird. Dan, come back! Oh wait, you didn't believe in aliens, so, Wait a second.